Hi guys and welcome back to my channel All Things Yazz. I hope you guys are safe and well. In today's video I have 6 healthy breakfast ideas for you. It would have been 7 but I forgot to film on Saturday. Over the past week I have been filming my breakfasts. I love breakfast, it's my favourite meal of the day, and I always think in my head if you have a healthy breakfast you're more likely to be healthy throughout the rest of the day. Now this video is for you if you're in need of a refresh for your healthy breakfast ideas or just breakfast ideas. If you're wanting to be a little bit more healthy or trying to lose weight for summer, as we know that is very quickly approaching, isn't it? Then this is the video for you. I have a variety of ideas. We've got smoothies, we've got hot breakfasts such as pancakes, yummy pancakes, and cold recipes as well. The main thing about these ideas is that they are quick and easy to make. Quick being the first one because in the morning I am hungry, I just want to eat. So before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you are new, give this video a like, all that good stuff, and let's jump into the video. Okay guys, so first healthy breakfast up, we have fruit and yogurt. So here I have raspberries, strawberries and banana, topped off with 2 tablespoons of fat-free Greek yogurt. This one's my go-to if I'm not sure of what I'm going to be having the rest of the day. But if you don't like these fruits, I like to try as an alternative chopped up apple with blueberries and blackberries. That's a really nice alternative. If you don't like any of them, just choose your favourite fruits and top it off with some Greek yogurt. If you want a bit of texture, grab a pinch of muesli and sprinkle that on top. I love that as a nice little addition to this dish. It's super yummy and it lasts me till lunch, so yeah, first breakfast down. Second healthy breakfast idea we have Weetabix and banana, such a simple, quick, easy breakfast. And I've got my almond milk to go in as well. Yum. Again, if you don't like banana, just swap it out for some of your favourite fruits. But this is a great one and it lasts you till lunchtime, so it's a good one to help you stop snacking. It's absolutely miserable outside, so I wanted to pick me up today. And that is my banana pancakes with strawberries and raspberries. So this is a deliciously Ella recipe that I've changed to my taste. So this is 45 grams of oats whipped up in my NutriBullet. Then I add a teaspoon of chia seeds and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I whip up in my NutriBullet again 1 banana, 60 millilitres of almond milk and a tiny bit of golden syrup, like a little squirt. Whip that up together, mix the dry and the wet together and then let it thicken a little bit, and then that comes out to about 4 like smallish like pancakes. But these are so yummy, and with the tiny bit of golden syrup they're just sweet enough on their own. But you can add a cheeky teaspoon of Nutella with this dish if you like. And again, swap out the strawberries and raspberries to some fruit that you like. So yummy. So today I fancied a smoothie and we are going for a strawberry and banana. So I've just popped in 1 medium-sized banana and some fresh strawberries. Normally I use frozen, but I had some fresh left over, and then I use unsweetened almond milk. My other favourite smoothie is definitely a coffee smoothie. It's 1 banana, almond milk. I whip that up in my NutriBullet and then I put 50 millilitres of freshly brewed coffee in and like pour it in. When it's in the glass it looks so aesthetically pleasing. And by the way, I don't know the measurements for the almond milk, it's just a guesstimate. So yeah, let's get cracking. So there we have it, my strawberry and banana smoothie. So on today's breakfast menu, fresh out the microwave, we have porridge. So I've got gluten-free porridge from Quaker Oats. This is the packet that it comes in. It takes 2.5 minutes. super simple. I used unsweetened almond milk with this. Then I topped it off with a banana and some nutty chocolatey spread. I didn't have Nutella this time. I've been using this one, I think it's called the which is just slightly a slightly darker chocolate with a little bit more of a nutty taste to it. It's so yummy, and I just put a teaspoon on that. So yeah, I'm going to be going in the gym twice today. I've just been in for my cardio this morning, and then I'll go in and do a full body HIIT session later on. So I need some energy for the rest of the day, and this is the perfect go-to. Today we have a smoothie recipe. Now this is the coffee smoothie that I think I mentioned earlier in the video. So I've got one medium-sized banana. I'm going to mix that with, well, blend it with unsweetened almond milk, and I think I said 50 milliliters of freshly brewed coffee. Now it's actually 120. This recipe is from the Tone and Sculpt app, and I've modified it to my taste. So with the Tone and Sculpt, I think you're meant to add some oats and peanut butter, but I preferred it like this. And sometimes if I'm doing like a double workout, like I'll work out in the morning and in the afternoon I'll add a bit of almond butter, which makes this so yummy. But we're just keeping it simple today. So let's get cracking. Now this is my favourite bit of this smoothie, is when you pour in the coffee. It looks so pretty! And that is my banana smoothie. Look at it. Oh. Well, banana coffee smoothie, I should say. Yum. Okay guys, so that concludes this video. Let me know in the comments down below which ones are your favourite, whether you try these out, or if you have any ideas that I didn't mention in this video. I am always looking to add to my recipe book. And if you did really enjoy this video, let me know if you want me to do some healthy lunch ideas and dinner ideas. And I'm a big sweet tooth, so at the end of the day I really like something yummy. So if you want to find out about my low calorie like after dinner treats, then let me know and I'll do a video on that, because I have quite a few go-tos at the moment. And I just ordered from, I think it's Mellow and Marsh, which is a marshmallow company, and their salted caramel marshmallow bars are only 76 calories, so it's really scrummy after dinner treat. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. We'd love to have you, so please join the family. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye for now.